You can now access all of your event functionality right on this tab. This is going to include not only viewing your schedule, but also being able to make updates to your initial plan, adding standard and subordinate events, shifting your schedule, and deleting events. This is going to speed up the process by allowing you to stay right on your PID homepage. Looking at this view, you can see at the very top of the tab that you can search for different events in the event schedule. You can type a partial or complete name of your event. Pressing the X button will clear your search filter. Next, you have a drop-down menu where you can change the view that you are looking at. View and Edit allows you to view all of your events and edit appropriate dates based on status. Reorder allows you to reorder events within the gate event restrictions. Shift lets you shift your schedule a certain number of days. And Delete will display an X next to the events that can be deleted. Next, we have our Add Events button. This is how you will add events to your schedule. Then, on the far right of the tab is the Save button. The Events tab does not automatically save. This is similar to the Documents tab. You must select the Save button in order to save the updates to the table below. A yellow warning icon and an asterisk will appear next to the Save button and next to the Events tab to indicate that you must save your changes. The PID cycle time is listed at the top and will update as you enter your planned and revised dates and complete actual dates. The Expand and Collapse All icon expands or collapses all events and phases. You can also collapse completed phases and open only the current in-progress phase using the arrow at the far right of the phase. On this page, you will also see all of your phases broken down along with the events. Next to your events, if you see an icon, it's going to represent one of three things. The gate indicator looks like a fence, and that is representing our gate events. The tree icon indicates that this event has subordinate events underneath it. And the chain link icon indicates that this event is linked to a document that has an active workflow. The gate events are going to represent the start and end of each of your phases, which is how cycle times are tracked. Your phases and your events have different status indicators. The first status indicator that you may see is the draft indicator. This draft indicator is when a new event has been added to the schedule and the schedule has not yet been saved. The pending status indicates that a change has been made to an event or phase and that the change is pending until you save your event schedule. Not started means that the event or phase is still scheduled for the future and you don't have an actual start date yet. In progress is going to represent if an event or phase has an actual start date but not an actual end date. Due soon means that the event is planned to be completed within 20% of the set plan duration. When my event has an actual start and end date, I will get the complete indicator. If I do miss my planned or revised end date for an event or a phase, then I will get a red past due indicator. The status indicators will automatically update when the start dates are changed and the page is saved. you can expand an individual event to see all of the planned, revised, and actual dates. The ability to edit these dates is based on status and permissions. The question mark symbol is the help text, which provides a description of the event, start and end dates, responsible activity, acquisition type, and duration. The Add Subordinate button allows you to add subordinates to the standard event, and events with subordinates will display the tree-like icon. If an event is tied to a workflow, the stages of the workflow will populate as subordinate events. Add Comments allows you to add and edit comments that you generate. And Open Comments allows you to see all the comments made, as well as the last modified name, date, and timestamp.